Hey, good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today I have a rental turnover that the tenants are moving in and there's no heat. So stay tuned and we'll see you when we get to the job. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my two sons, the plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. We'll see you there. They have no heat. New tenants in an apartment. So I turn the gas on. I'm going to jump out the thermostat and see what happens here. So, I'm going to do the old cheat. It's like going upstairs. Let's do a little jump out right here. I already disconnected the thermostats. Bang. And bang. There goes the exhaust fan. We got 0 temp and 20 psi on the gauge, so we're good. Module kicked on. Igniter, there she goes. Sure that the thermostat's calling for heat, so let's put it back together. Maybe it needs to be purged, maybe they want to play with it, who knows. We'll check it out and make sure. I don't want to burn the pump out, you know. So let's get this TCO'd. We got new tenants moving in on this Friday day, this Friday night. Fire back up. Make sure the pump isn't getting too hot. Matter of fact, the heat's not on. We gotta tell them to thermostat up. Okay. I just had them turn on the thermostat. See what happens here. Bang. Okay. Wiel Mclain. What we got here? HE2 boiler. Fans rattling. see the gauge is at, oh, the temperature's going pretty quick. I'm probably going to purge this thing. Heater just fired up. There she goes. You go get my hose, purge, and that's ice cold. Oh, that's hot. So I'm going to definitely say this needs to get purged. See, the gas company in this part of the world, they don't touch no water whatsoever. And I hear a lot of air. Here comes the air. You can actually hear it. So we weren't getting no circulation. Now it's nice and warm. We'll get all the air out and we'll call it a day. Board needs some service. No air scoop. New number 67. I'm sure the autofill is a little tired. So what we'll do is we'll get them some heat and give her the numbers for doing this correctly. How's everybody doing out there? I just had a job piss me off. End of the day, it's Friday, 4:05. One of the guys calls me up. We just finished a job of renovation and slash cleanup job on a owner's tub install. Long story short, I said, listen, we're going to put this tub in. He bought everything. 2 tubs later, 2 sets of walls later, we used the diverter that was in there already, which was in good shape. It was a mowing troll. And so we added some new trim. We put it all in and trimmed it up today. And my guy calls up and says, you're killing me. I'm so good to you. And he is. And proceeds to tell me that the homeowner just showed up with new faucets, a handheld shower, and the whole shebang, and we're done the whole job already. That was when I jumped out the thermostat just now. And I'm like, dude, we're not changing that. We're done. So once I'm done this job, I got to call him up, see what he's thinking, because he says he told me, and I know he didn't, because I told him he had a good faucet. And we proceeded to finish. We've been there for 3 days doing some other stuff. And when I tell you running a business, and you guys will vouch for this, that every day is Monday. 24 hours a day. There's no time off for me at 5 o'clock on a Friday. Now I gotta go take care of this. I love it though. Who out there doesn't love running their plumbing business? I personally love it. We are essential. Just ask the Don. The Don says we are essential. So, I love it though. Anybody got any questions out there? We're going to get heat on here. We got to get all the bells and whistles for her. Then we're going to call it a day. Hear the birds. Spring is here. Spring is here. And so's the plague. Alright, I'm happy with this purge. Let's fire it back up. See if it comes back warm. Nice and cold, nice and cold. Come on, baby. Do me. Igniter's glowing. Here she comes. Man. We got it. Hot and cold, I mean, both coming back nice and warm. Heater's back put together. The heater's put back together. Put the sticker on the water heater for when it needs service. And don't tell me this is that guy calling. No, this is Miss Mossy's calling. Miss Mossy! Happy Friday. We got her done. Heat's on. Ran into the tenant. I ran into the tenant and they were very happy. Today was going to be their first night staying there, and we got it done. With that, hold on, me, CB or AB. Oh, they're not here today. Great. And there goes another satisfied customer. See you at the next one.